So now the 29th question. The question says that the numerator of the fraction is 3 less than its denominator. If 1 is added to the denominator, the fraction is decreased by 1 by 15. Find the fraction. Or we can do this question also. In a flight of 2800 km, an aircraft was slowed down due to bad weather. Its average speed is reduced by 100 km per hour and time increased by 30 minutes. Find the original duration of the time flight. So the solution to the first question is, let the denominator of the required fraction be x. We are considering the denominator as x. And then, as the question says, the numerator is 3 less than the denominator. We are considering it as x minus 3. Now the original fraction would be x minus 3 upon x. If 1 is added to the denominator, then the new fraction would be obtained as x minus 3 upon x plus 1. Now according to the given question and the condition, x minus 3 upon x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 divided by x minus 1 by 15, as the question says. Solving it, we will get the condition x minus 3 splitting the middle term as minus 9x minus 5x, creating it at factors, we will get as x minus 5, x minus 9 equals to 0. The value of x would be 5 or 9. Now placing the value of x equals to 5 in the equation, we would get x minus 3 upon x, that would we will get the fraction 2 by 5. When we are placing x equals to 9, we would get the fraction 2 by 3. So when we will placing x equals to 9, this fraction would be neglected because this doesn't satisfy the. So we have next question which says that there is a plane whose speed is reduced by 100 km per hour due to bad weather and time is increased by 30 minutes. So we are considering original speed of plane as x km per hour, and if the speed of the plane is reduced, it would be by 100 km, then the reduced speed of the plane would be x minus 100 km per hour. Then time taken to reach the destination at the original speed would be t1. We are considering it as t1, and which would be equals to distance upon speed, that is 2800 divided by x hours. Time taken by plane to reach its destination at a reduced speed would be 2800 divided by x minus 100 hours. We are considering it as t2. Now the difference between both of the situations is 30 minutes. So t2 minus t1 would be half hours, or we can say 30 minutes. Putting it in this condition, the values of t2 and t1, 2800 divided by x minus 100 minus 2800 divided by x equals to half. Solving this, we will get a quadratic equation which says x square minus 100x minus 5,60,000 equals to 0. So solving that quadratic equation, we get two factors, that is x minus 800, x plus 700 equals to 0. When solving, we will get x equals to 800 or x equals to minus 700. Since speed cannot be negative, so we will discard this value x minus 700. So we got the answer that the original speed of the flight is 800 kilometer per hour, and the original duration of flight was t1 to 2800 divided by 800, that is 7 by 2, which is equals to 3 hours 30 minutes.